Hey guys, Marty Boots here. You might have to turn your volume up a bit as my girlfriend is in bed sleeping and it just gotta be quiet. But you really want to turn your volume up because the content I have for you here is absolutely mind blowing. This is the third video in the series of cycle work, and the first two were Bitcoin and Ether, and this is part three. This is the S&P 500. Now, if I told you that you could call every single top and drop in the market to the very day for the last 20 years, every single drop for the last 20 years to almost the exact day, you would probably say I'm crazy. But basically what this is the institutions and the banks are selling their positions at the same time every single month, the same date, almost the same day, every single month. And if because we know this, we can trade with them. And now that we do know this, you can potentially make millions and millions of dollars, and seriously life-changing money. This content is mind-blowing. Now, if I show you this, what I'm looking at here, just let me zoom in here so you get a clear view. You can see here, this is the potential topping date for the market, at least for the short term, for a pullback. You can see here on the 21st of September, the market topped out and we had a drop. You can see here on the 22nd of January, we topped out and we had that drop. These are big drops, guys. And it doesn't have to, they don't all have to be big. I'm showing you small ones here also. And you can see here on the 21st, we topped out after this big huge run. We started topping out and we had the drop. It's a small drop, but you can make a lot of money off that. I'm just pointing out the small ones as well. On the 24th of August, you can see we topped out and we had that drop. That was the 24th, but you could actually move that back a day and that would be lining up with everything else. Well, that's on the 19th there, but you can see in that date it worked. You can see here on the 20th we topped out and we dropped. On Christmas Eve, it wasn't an exact top, but still into that date, the market dropped on the 24th. I could move that forward a bit, back to the 21st or 20th. You can see here on the 20th, we got that drop, big drop in one day. You can see here after this big move up on Christmas Eve, we topped out and we got that drop. On the 23rd, it could move that back to the 21st or so as well, and you can see we topped out and we had that drop. On the 22nd of July, the market topped out after this big run and we had that drop. On the 22nd, we had that big drop from the highs right down into the moving average there, which is a substantial drop. If you're trading this in the S&P 500 on 3-day chart, that's a huge drop. You could make thousands trading that. On the 23rd of September, even maybe on the 21st back here, we topped out, we had that drop. On the 20th of May, the market topped out after this big huge run and we had that drop. Guys, it's mind blowing. It's unbelievable how well this works. On the 21st of September, we topped out, we had that drop. After the big move up, the 21st of May, we topped out, we had that big drop. Seriously guys, I'm just going through this. I'm halfway through it here already, but there's 20 years of data here, and every single drop coincides with around the 22nd of the month, roughly. You can see here on the 22nd, the markets were topping in the topping phase and we dropped. You can see here on 21st of April, we topped out, we had the drop. what is that, 22nd of February, we topped out after this big run and we had that drop. Mind blowing, guys, that every single top coincides with this. 21st of April, we topped out, we had that drop. Now, I didn't check this. Look at this one. I didn't even add this one in. I must have missed some of them. Well, there's the 19th, and we had that drop. So it's pretty close. This one was in the financial crisis, so it was a bit choppy, but you can see here on the 23rd, I mean, we did go a little bit higher, and then we rolled over and had that drop. So, but it was still pretty spot on. This is in the financial crisis here, guys, as well. On the 22nd, the markets topped out, and we had that huge crash. On the 21st of May, or 22nd of May, sorry, we topped out and we had that drop. You could have even got that maybe on the 21st here, which still is perfect. The banks and institutions are always starting to sell their positions into the end of the month, and for some reason it's always around the 20th, the 23rd or whatever. On the 19th of December here, you can see the markets were topping out and we dropped. I could push that forward a day and you get a better entry. Well, it's a 3-day chart, so even if you move that to the 24th, it's still in the ballpark, and we dropped. On the 22nd, the markets were topping out and we dropped. The top did happen a little bit earlier in this situation, but you can see there it's still the same pattern. On the 20th, you can see the market topped out and we dropped. You can see here on the 20th again we dropped. Guys, it's mind blowing. It's absolutely mind blowing how precise this is. Now this was it wasn't quite the top on the 25th, but it was close enough, and then we had that drop. There was one little spike, but there's not many that really spike above the price once it's topping out on the date, and then it drops. It's crazy. I'll just move along here. There's not as many there. I just wanted to show you like a lengthy data. I'm back here in 2002, and it still works. You can see here on the 23rd we topped out, we dropped. On the 21st we topped out and we had that huge drop. Again on the 23rd the market topped out, we had a drop. On the 21st of January 2001 the market topped out, we had that drop. I could move that forward a little bit, but it's in the ballpark, into the moving averages. You can see here, this is the top of the Nasdaq bubble in 2000. March. What does it say there? 22nd of March. This is the exact top. Where did it happen? It's no coincidence, guys. This is no coincidence. The banks and institutions are selling their positions every single time on the same date. I haven't got that line right, but anyway, you get the picture. This is the all-time high. Well, we took that out now, but this was the all-time high for many years, and it happened right on that day, on the 22nd. Again, on the 22nd of July 1998, and this is the last one, and it's still working here. Look at this drop. Guys, this is unbelievable. I bet you if we go back here, I have not looked at all this stuff. Look at this, on the 22nd, this is unbelievable. I have not even looked at this, guys. It's remarkable. I can't even get it now because I need to zoom in a bit. But there's the 20th. Look, I've not even looked at these. It's unbelievable, guys. And this is a big drop back then. 1988. That's Black Monday. This market topped out on the 20th or 22nd, whatever that was. And this is Black Monday when the stock market's crashed, the biggest crash in the history of the stock market almost in one day. So guys, this information is potentially worth millions and millions and life-changing money for anybody. You know, all you have to do is wait for those dates and look for shorts. You know, this could potentially be the all-time high in the stock market. We don't know yet. We have to wait, and potentially we could even short the exact day that the stock market is going to top out and maybe roll over into a financial crisis. You know, that is coming, and I don't know when, but you know, history shows that this is potentially that time. If it's not then it's probably next month or the month after, whatever. But this is a date to be watching. So that's it for the video, guys. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. You know, this happens in Bitcoin and Ether as well in my videos, and basically it's the banks and institutions and market makers, whatever, rearranging their books and selling their positions on the same day every single month. It's every single top. It doesn't happen every month because there's no top some months, but every time the market tops, it's always on the same date. So I hope this video helped, guys, and hopefully we can use it to make life-changing money, make millions and millions of dollars. So if you like the content, guys, please give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. We also have a Discord group. The link is below, and you can send us a message on Facebook to join our Discord group for a 2-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.